Today we are unboxing the Suvcon 3-channel dash cam. You got your front, you got your rear, your front, and what you're going to be able to see into your car. Let's see here. This is what it includes: a dash cam, car charger, adjustable suction mount, rear camera, and 32 gig memory card, cable, all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and unbox this. They sent it over to me to do this review here. So let's go ahead and get that started here. So let's bring that out to the side. And again, we're just going to unbox this and see exactly what comes with this box, comes in the box. So we'll go ahead and do this. It's very weird to try to do these unboxing videos like this because, all right, I don't ever unbox anything like this. So in my real life. So it gives you the instructions where you're going to be able to put your mounts. You have this, warm tips. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up here. Let's see what's inside. Actually, let's take a look here. These are the actual instructions. These are just tips that we just saw here. So it does come with these instructions right here. 3-channel dash cam. Again, same picture on the front. Let's look through this. Tells you exactly how to set this up. Shows you your front camera inside of the actual car itself. It does come with these LED or these lights that allow you to see in low light. That's what these little dots are right here on the side. So if you have any questions about it, you can just refer to the manual itself. Let's go ahead and continue to open this up right here. So let's bring this open. I don't want to break anything. So let's bring this. All right. So this is our actual dash cam itself. Here again, this is what's going to be pointing away from you, and then this is what's going to be pointing towards you. Again, it has these lights right here so that it's able to see inside when it's nighttime outside. I forget exactly what these things are called, but and so you have your little screen here. You have your buttons down here for your menu. You have your charging station here, and if we look, you can see that it actually has the memory card inside of it already. So if you press down, you'll be able to see that we do have a Suvcon 32 gig. There's that. And I think this is the R for recorder. So I think that's where you're going to be able to capture your sound, I think. And then this looks like the speakers right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the side. Don't want to mess anything up. So let's look through this. So we've got our suction cup here that they have provided. So that way we can suction it onto the car. And that's really about it. You have your adjusters here if you need to adjust anything. I'm not going to take this off because I'm going to put it on my car a little bit later. This is just the unboxing. So now we have here the power management where you're going to stick this into your car port. I don't even know if they don't call it a cigarette lighter anymore, I guess. And yeah, you have your USB-C that goes into the actual camera itself. So that would go in here, or you can flip it around like this if you need to. Oh, wow. I guess this is powered on. Didn't even mean to do that. Oh, wow. Look at that. Low battery. So we can see you guys. We can see. Oh, okay, never mind. We can't see anything because it's low battery. All right. Let's go ahead and move on to this bag. I feel like this is Christmas when you got all these bags that you have to open up. Okay. So we've got this. This is the rear cam right here. Again, it's got these lights right here that will allow you. I really need to figure out what the name of that is. And so we could read the instructions on how to actually install that. And you've got this really, really, really long cable that you'll be able to run from the front of your car to the back of your car. We've got these screws here. And last but not least, let's go ahead and take a look. Open this bad boy up here. Oh man. So we've got our sticky pads right here, and I guess this is like a scraper of some sort, and then we have our charger here. So that is what all comes in the box. So let's go ahead and just lay it all out here for you guys. And yeah, in future videos, I am going to be doing, well, yeah, we're definitely going to put this on the car and actually get it working and show you guys exactly what that looks like.